If you're looking for a simple chilled soup on a hot summer's day, gazpacho is the way to go. I think the best gazpacho is made with in-season, locally sourced vegetables if you can get your hands on them. We're using heirloom tomatoes, the uglier the better, some red peppers, hothouse cucumbers, and yellow onions. It's important to remember when you cut up your vegetables, take the seeds out of the peppers. All of the white parts as well, get them out because they're going to create this bitter, acidic taste that just makes it unpleasant to eat. Get everything into a food processor or blender and give this a nice whirl. Some people like chunky gazpacho, but I like it nice and smooth. You can always remember to save the insides of the tomatoes as a garnish. It just adds a different flavor and a different texture. The spices we're going to use are some cumin, smoky paprika, some salt, and some sherry. You can always add more sherry if you like, if you need that extra kick to your gazpacho. And a hefty portion of olive oil. Get mixing. Like I said, I like my gazpacho nice and pureed. No chunks, no mess, simple and easy. A neat little trick is to put it in a frozen vessel and keep it about half an hour to 40 minutes so all of those flavors can combine and marry each other. The longer the better, I say. Remember to chill your gazpacho before serving and shake it up. Gazpacho only gets better with time, so the longer you chill it, the better it tastes. Don't forget to hit that like button and follow us for more recipes.